Marvin said the screen where you give him. Do you forgive me?
Oh,
Man.
you scream, freeze up.
Mr. You left it Marvin said the phone where do you forgive me? You left it up on your grandmother.
Oh, Donna say forgive me.
Almighty God, try to listen when I said, man. Mr. the screen, I used to talk to you, man. Still must know me I talk about now.
I not hear you loud enough, the phone lower.
My phone turn up to the book, you can't turn up no more.
Oh, when you said Donna said forgive the cream up our shop.
It's better, man. I said, Marvin.
Oh, Marvin.
The screen went in the phone screen.
Wait there. Marvin said,
the screen went in, you forgive me. The phone screen.
then
You left it up, you left it up.
long time.
Eh?
That cream never must melt, man.
I don't cream, man. I screen. Phone screen, man. The phone something.
Wait.
I used to talk to you, man. When I said phone screen, you must know what you talk about, man. We are turning on business up, man.
I don't hear you said something about phone freeze. I hear you said something
I
about
screen, man. Look at spell the word to you. S-C-R-E-E-N.
Oh, it's what?
S-C-R-E-E-N. Screen, not screen.
Team.
The phone something then, man. The phone something when you forgive me.
Oh!
You left it up on your grandmother.
Then,
That's what you tell him.
so my grandmother did. I will tell you that.
I never said that, man. I said you left it up on your grandmother.
Me like my grandmother. Which part of me like my grandmother?
Almighty God, listen what I said, man.
Wait.
The man said the phone screen when you forgive me. You left it up on your grandmother.
Make me let Pablo this morning here.
Eh.
And she never scream.
I said the phone screen, man.
But
the optician to the phone.
The ignition.
The optician.
Yes,
you left it up on your grandmother when you forgive me. You must understand when I talk, no, man.